Alright, so I just finished the install on my studs, my wheel studs. So if I'm wearing the same thing, just know because I just started this video right after. The car's zip-on jack stands. I'm gonna go ahead and install some PBM lower control arms and toe arms for the rear. I'm just gonna get going on this install. It's pretty easy, honestly. I already did the other side. It's just like a few quick bolts, and it's not the hardest thing to do. So yeah, let's get right to it. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 17, 14, 17, and 17. This is 14, right?
Huh?
Yeah. This is 17, 14, 17, 17. And then for the toe arms, it'll be right here. It's like a little pin thing. Ow! Big one is a 17 right here, and then this one's a 22. I think this side is only for adjusting, so only this one we'll be having to like worry about. So it's a 17, and this one is a 17 as well. Alright, actually this is 19. This one's a 19 and this one's a 22. So yeah, make sure these are like toe bolts, so make sure when you put them back on, they're on the correct like marking. So you'll see it's like a blue line on your car.
Turn it towards you. Like pull it, and stop.
So make sure when you're putting your toe arms back on to remember the the exact measurement it was at before. So what I'm doing is I'm just like kind of adjusting it with a hand wrench to put it to how it was. All right. About these control arms is you can actually have, there's two settings you want. This is kind of like normal, and then if you want to go like, I believe it's 1.5 inches, I'm not quite sure, but it's like over an inch lower. You can use this one, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here. As you guys saw, it's pretty simple. One of the things I was excited for is when I cut this diffuser, you could actually see like all the gold right there. It's pretty sick. But since my coils are maxed out, I haven't adjusted it, so it's honestly way too low. I can already tell because look, it's like fender to lip. It's not even on the ground yet, and it's fender to lip on stock 17s. And as you guys can see, like, my tire is literally higher than my side skirt, and it's still in the air. And then another thing is my axle angle is like absolutely ridiculous, and my axle is literally sitting on my subframe. Like, there's no room at all. So I definitely can't leave it like this. I'm gonna have to raise it just for fun. Hopefully I don't break anything. I'm gonna lower it to see what it looks like. I'm honestly expecting it to sit on the floor like my side skirt itself. It's gonna be crazy. I'm not gonna leave it like this, but we're just done, and we're just gonna like lower it just for fun. So yeah, let's see what it looks like. Oh heck no, what the heck? Dude. Oh, I can put it on the side. Dude, that looks insane. Dude, my axles are freaking bent to the max. Heck no. Dude. The arms, I bought them used off of my friend. They already set at -8, I believe. So I didn't adjust it at all. So it's at -8. That's what he said. So that's what it looks like. I can't even breathe. So I want to roll it out. I want to see if I can drive it. It's stuck. Alright, I'm about to raise this again. There you go. Damn.
It's just your side skirt making those noises. Oh, that's your exhaust right there. That's amazing, dude. That's amazing.
Literally went off. Oh my god. Literally tucking right here. Damn, that's crazy. My car literally looks aired out. You guys can see, dude, but my exhaust is literally on the ground. Crazy. Literally, it was the funniest thing doing this. I literally just did it for fun. Like I said, I'm not doing it. I'm not leaving it like this. 'Cause it's literally undrivable like this. And I can't even fit a finger under my side skirt. Right here. Like, look, I can't even put a finger under it. It's like absolutely insane. I still have to raise the car. Like I said, it's on extreme low, so they're maxed out totally, and it's at the lowest setting on the control arm, so definitely have to raise it a bit. But I honestly think it was just funny, just like messing around with it and like, just taking it out for fun, just seeing how low it is. Dude, that's insane. Like, I literally look aired out. Alright, so I just finished editing the vlog right now. I didn't feel like taking off like my USB thing and like putting my SIM card back together for my GoPro. But so yeah, I'm just filming it on the Mac, so sorry if like the audio is like kind of like bad. But I just wanted like to close out the video because obviously like I forgot to close out the video yesterday. I always tend to do that. But anyways, yeah, I was thinking about it. I was like, dude, I really wish I bought these control arms to begin with like a long time ago. Because I feel like it'll help, like it'll solve like a lot of like there's a lot of people that like really want to go like way lower, and literally like this is like the trick to like if you really want to go low and like slam your car, and really like satisfy how low you really want to go. Like literally there's like so much like room to go low with these control arms. Like it literally drops you like more than enough. The trick for any of you like FRS owners or BRZ 86, like if you want to go low, I highly recommend to purchase these control arms. keep in mind you will need to buy tow arms with it as well if you guys want to run. I believe it's like more than -4 camber. You're gonna need tow arms, so keep that in mind. My coils were maxed out like at the very start when I dropped the car the first time, when it was on the floor like scraping. So to get it to like a driving position, I had to raise my coils 20 threads. So that's literally like, it was a lot. Like I raised it 20 threads from being maxed out. So just to get it to like a drivable position, and it's still like pretty slammed. So yeah, it's pretty crazy. Like these control arms are no joke, honestly. They give you plenty. So enough rambling. Hope you guys are understanding what I was talking about. But yeah, I'm gonna close off right here, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. Drop a like if you guys enjoyed it, and I love reading your guys' comments. So just comment anything you guys want me to see, and yeah, I'll see you guys next video. Peace out.